Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to insert hyperlinks in Microsoft Excel. And let's don't waste any more of your time. Let me show you how to do it. At first, let's say we wanna type something here. Let's say sub for Dr. Niki, like this, and we wanna add a hyperlink to this sentence, right? How to do it and how to actually make this when we click on this sentence every time when we click on this sentence, that will lead us to his YouTube channel. How to make that? So now select this cell here, A1, or the cell that you typed, or the cell that you want to add the hyperlink, and now click on insert from here, from this menu, and now search for hyperlink this. And now from here you should you can browse some folder that you want to add, and every time when you click on sub for Dr. Niki to open this folder, but also you can add here a URL of his YouTube channel. So how to do it? Search in Google, in Chrome I mean here, his channel, Dr. Niki, like this. And I'll copy the URL, pass it here like this, click on OK, and now as you can see, every time when we click on this sentence here, that leads us to his YouTube channel. So yep, that was how to add hyperlinks in Microsoft Excel. If you're finding this video helpful, you can give it a like, and also if you have some problems, if you have some questions, don't be hesitant to leave them in the comments down below the video. And who knows, maybe someday I'll try to respond. Yep, see you next video. Bye.